Ant and the Grasshopper, an Aesop's Fable story, rewritten by theOET, perfect for ESL learners, levels pre-A1 to A1. One hot summer day, Ant was working very hard. Every day, Ant went out to find food. He carried seeds, leaves, and crumbs back to his nest. "Winter will come soon," said Ant. "I must get ready now." One day, as Ant was working in the field, he heard a voice. "What you doing?" asked the voice. Ant looked around. It was Grasshopper. "I am collecting food for winter," said Ant. "Winter?" laughed Grasshopper. "But it is summer now. Come and play with me." "Sorry," said Ant. "I can't play. I must work. Winter will come quickly. You should work too." But Grasshopper just laughed. "I don't want to work. I want to sing and play." So Grasshopper sang songs and jumped in the grass while Ant worked every day. Time passed. The air grew cooler. The leaves turned red and brown. It was now autumn. Ant was still busy collecting food, but Grasshopper was still playing. "Come and jump in the leaves," Grasshopper called. "No," said Ant. "Winter is coming soon. You must find food and build a home." "I have plenty of time," said Grasshopper. "I want to play now." More weeks passed. Then winter arrived. The wind was cold. The ground was white with snow. It was hard to find food. Ant and his friends stayed warm in their nest. They had lots of food and a safe home. One day, there was a knock at the door. It was Grasshopper. He was cold and hungry. "Oh, Ant," said Grasshopper, shivering. "I was foolish. I did not work. I did not get ready. Now I have no food and no home." Ant felt sorry for his friend. "You did not listen," said Ant. "But I will help you. Come inside and stay with us. We have food to share." "Thank you, Ant," said Grasshopper. "Next summer, I will prepare and work hard too." And that was the story of the Ant and the Grasshopper. Thanks for watching.